Bagi Gigandia, the Gubombandianda. Boo 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 babam bim bim bum bim bum bim bum 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 bigun gandhi bigun gandugunda gingan disi kugisi baba Beba be nubda baba dipa dupa be do bum giggle girl giggle girl get 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 girl yeah go on and I go on Gandhi see Bobby the Bobby do the Bambi home 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 up up no allow dog would not allow me to get up a moment ago. This is what it's like during a seizure now. I can't talk normally. Most of the time it hurts to talk boo-boo. Boo, 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 boo. Boo, boo, yeah, Dandy. Dog looking for help. Now, usually tries to go to someone if they're here and tells them to help me. Moment ago thought it was over and went to get up and she stopped me. Right. Voice changes, neurology. Low, 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 low. Started 9-10 minutes ago. Hearts, legs, boo boo. Dog, can't say S word. Dog, not like camera. So she is looking for help. 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 Button soon. Button. Button soon. Call help. Wait today. Hearing people out there can't say all commands. Head now. Hearts have to stop trying to talk English. She is telling me worst is over because she's not holding me in place in the chair.